My mom was feeling a little down about her natural hair, so I decided to fix it. It's been about a month since I last did her hair, and I'm going to show you how I brought her curls to life again with natural ingredients. If your hair is in a similar situation, don't worry, because I'm going to show you step by step exactly how I got her hair from dry to nice and curly and voluminous. What's up guys, it's Nely Natural, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make an Ayurvedic hair mask that can help strengthen and moisturize dull, weak hair. And I'm also going to be teaching you guys how to make a do-it-yourself flaxseed gel that can help moisturize your curls as well as help balance your scalp and hair's pH. I'm going to be testing these on my mother's hair, and for years she has flat ironed and dried her hair out with chemical relaxers and things like that. We recently did a big chop on her hair, so right now she's in the process of nursing it back to life. So if you're interested in knowing how to do both of these things and seeing how this works on weak, limp hair, then keep on watching this video. The first ingredient we're going to be using in this recipe is henna. It's rich in proteins and antioxidants. It naturally dyes the gray hairs and it strengthens the follicles. Then fenugreek. This ingredient helps to detangle the hair, it adds shine and softness, and it also helps to promote healthy hair growth. We're going to need about 1/4 cup of the henna powder as well as 1/4 cup of fenugreek powder. Combine those into the same bowl. Now we're going to add about a tablespoon of aloe vera. This contains proteolytic enzymes which can help break down scalp buildup. It also helps to reduce DHT molecules, which is responsible for hair loss, and it can help to reduce an itchy, dry scalp. So go ahead and mix that in. Jojoba oil's molecules are very similar to the scalp's natural sebum, so this makes for a great hair conditioner. It's also rich in vitamins like zinc, which can help promote natural hair growth. Add about 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil to the mask. Now add water until a nice thick paste forms. If you like your consistency a bit on the liquidy side, add more water. If you like a thicker consistency, add less water. It's all up to personal preference. Mix in the water until it's all uniform. It's okay if there's some clumps, but just keep on mixing. Here's what my texture is looking like closer up. Now you just want to cover this mask and let it sit for about an hour. Moving on to making the flaxseed gel, we're going to need about 1/2 cup of flax seeds. And flax seeds are amazing for the hair. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It helps to add shine and detangle the strands. The next ingredient in this gel is rose petals because it helps to balance the scalp's and hair's pH. It hydrates and conditions the strands, and it also adds shine as well. Add that to a pot and then add about 3 to 4 cups of water. Stir the ingredients so they are thoroughly saturated and bring the flax seeds and rose petals to a boil. While it's boiling, mix it and see if a gel-like consistency is forming. It should look a little thicker in consistency, but make sure not to touch it because it's boiling hot. And also, if you take a closer look at the rose petals, you'll see that they are losing their color, which means that it's being deposited into the flaxseed gel. Carefully strain the gel while it's warm into a heat-safe bowl. Lightly pat the strained seeds with a spoon so that way any excess gel could pass through the strainer. Add 2 tablespoons of the oil of your choice and mix it in. I'm using jojoba oil because of its great benefits. Flaxseed gel tends to flake, so adding the oil just prevents any chance of it flaking. Let the gel cool down for another 2 hours and then transfer it into an applicator bottle. Now that both do-it-yourself products are created, it's time to apply them. Make sure to wear gloves because the henna in the mask does stain. You can apply this mask before or after you wash your hair, but I'm choosing to apply it before I wash her hair. So right now her hair is very dirty and currently frizzy. I'm currently looking through her hair to see where most of her gray hairs are, and they're concentrated at the roots. So I will make sure to focus a majority of the henna mask at the roots. Before applying the mask, make sure that you section the hair to get an even distribution. Here's what the mask is looking like after it's been sitting for about an hour. Make sure to saturate the hair before applying the mask so that way it can easily glide on. Since most of my mom's grays are focused at the roots, I'm making sure to start at the roots and concentrating a majority of the mask there, and then I'm gliding it down to her ends. And I love this mask because it's instantly adding that nice shine, and it's also helping to detangle her dry curls. I'm going to fast forward through the rest of the application process, but if you want to see the final results, then you can feel free to skip ahead a few minutes. As you can see, this mask is already adding shine and manageability to her curls. Now that the mask is all applied, you're going to want to cover the hair and leave it on for about 1 hour. And if you're doing this before you shampoo, then just shampoo and condition like normally. My mom's hair is super detangled after rinsing and it's extremely soft. And here is the color that the henna deposited onto her gray hairs. Henna is a strengthening treatment, so her hair is also feeling very strengthened. Now it's time to apply the flaxseed gel, and make sure to section the hair as well to get even distribution. I'm starting at the root and gently gliding down the flaxseed gel throughout the length of her hair, and at the same time I'm also finger detangling. Flaxseed gel provides instant shine, and I'm honestly loving how her curls are reacting to this. Here's a closer look at the shine. Now with the gel you could do multiple styles like a wash and go, twist out, braid out, a bun, but right now I'm choosing to put her hair into a braid out. I'm taking small sections of hair and then I'm just braiding them where I see fit. And if you're choosing to do a braid out, you don't have to worry too much about the parting, because once you take it out and fluff it out, it all looks the same. I'm going to fast forward through the rest of the braiding process. However, if you want to see the finished results, feel free to fast forward. If you are using a brush to detangle, make sure you start from the tip and slowly work your way up to the root, so that way you won't rip out any hair and cause breakage. Here's how shiny and defined the braids are looking. Once the braids are fully dry, you can go ahead and take them down. Make sure to take them down slowly so as not to cause any unnecessary frizz. The braids are all taken down, and now I'm just removing any obvious parting that was created by the braid out. And my mom wanted a little bit more volume, so I went ahead and reapplied some flaxseed gel and scrunched it so that way she could have the volume that she wanted. Here are the final dry results, and my mom is absolutely loving the volume and definition that the flaxseed gel gave her. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked this video, please feel free to comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.